Shortcuts can be real time savers. I'm gonna show you some shortcuts that not many people know, but I use every day. Alright, we all know the Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V shortcuts to copy and paste items, but with Windows V, you can access your clipboard history. From this panel, you can paste any previously copied items, even photos. Next up is Windows 1, Windows 2, and so forth. When pressing Windows and 1, you open the first application on your taskbar. Windows and 2 opens the second application, and so on. If the application is already open, it just switches to that tab. Windows Ctrl-D. By pressing this combination, you create a new virtual desktop. Next to your normal desktop, you now also have this new blank space to work on. Now press Windows Ctrl and the left or right arrow key. That way you can switch between your different desktops. With Windows Shift S, you can quickly capture a screenshot. You also get the choice to capture specific parts of the screen, the entire window, etc. Some keyboards can access this shortcut via a specific key by default, but for those of you who do not have that option, this one is definitely a must-know. Windows Period. Windows Period directs you to this panel. Here you can access your emojis, GIFs, and much more. Windows L. It's a simple shortcut to put your device into sleep mode instantly. It's a great alternative instead of navigating to the sleep button manually or opening and closing your laptop. If you like this video so far, definitely consider subscribing, it helps out a lot. Ctrl-Shift-T. Have you ever accidentally closed a tab in your browser that you still needed? Well, with this shortcut, you can easily reopen the most recently closed tab. Instead of pressing Alt-Tab, try pressing Windows-Tab. This will direct you to Task View, and in Task View, you get an overview of all of your open windows and your desktop at a glance. Lastly, Ctrl-Shift-N. This allows you to easily create a new folder in the File Explorer or on your home screen. The shortcut saves you the hassle of right-clicking, navigating through the menu, and selecting New Folder. It's a simple shortcut, but can save you a lot of time when organizing files.